The 2015 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.